Good morning, guys. A Christmas tree printed in vase mode, which means it's hollow, and it does look like it's struggled quite a bit. That's incredibly thin. I think it'll probably fall apart as I try and get it off the bed. Yep, still having trouble with the printer. Be a link in the video description to the original files on Thingiverse. Yeah, it's not supposed to have those gaps in it. Looks like it sorted itself out by the time it got to the top. A little bit later in the day, it's actually beginning to get dark. It's only just gone 3:30 in the afternoon. Anyway, this one's hollow, so the idea is we put a tea light underneath it. A battery operated tea light, not a candle. I've got a few examples here. That's a rather nice one. That does colour changing. That one I think is one plain colour. Yeah, sort of yellowy. And I think this one flickers a little bit, if we can get it on. Switch is a bit stiff. Yeah, that's a candle effect one. Flickering. So, we can have that. In fact, we got holes in the layers there. It doesn't seem to matter really as far as making it look pretty for a Christmas light. I suppose I could try a green LED in there. Let's switch that one back off again. That's the plain yellow one. That's okay. And then the colour changing one. Actually, green looks okay, doesn't it? I could try just a green LED. Yeah, that works, even though it was an awful print. That's working fine, colour-wise. I'll just see if I've got a green LED I could pop in there temporarily. That's about as simple as we can get. Lump of blue tack, button cell, LED just sitting straight on top of it. Yeah, it's not quite as bright as that one, is it? That's better. Red one looks much better. Oh, that's very dull. Right, interesting selection of LEDs, all in the same box. Yellow. That's fairly bright. That accentuates the orange of the PLA. And finally we got some blue ones. Can't imagine what that's going to look like. A bit dull anyway. Yeah, not very effective. So probably out of the lot, the red was the best. Yeah. Well, there we go. Link in the video description to the Thingiverse file. I'm sure if you print it, you'll get a better print than I did, because I am having trouble with my printer at the moment. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.